Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name's Angie. If you're new here, make sure you guys hit the subscribe button down below to join our family. So in today's video, I'm going to be giving you guys a quick and hopefully easy tutorial on how to do the magic door video edit. Now, if you've seen it before, it should look a little something like this.
I don't care about the latest trends, cause I might even die tomorrow. That's why I ain't sleepy like hollow. If I ever win the lotto, I'll share that with my family and make sure they don't grow. You wouldn't know this, but my heart is cold and I'm homeless. But you, me could have been homeless. I can't have a
Now, provided you guys follow these steps, this should be a really quick and easy tutorial, and it should only take one take. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so I'm going to show you how to set up this shot, and of course I'm going to split the screen so you can also see what I'm doing here on my phone. But you just want to make sure you have a tripod. For this, you do not want your camera to move at all. Once you position it, it needs to stay positioned. Obviously, if you're working on an audio from TikTok, you can film this in TikTok, but just for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to show you guys with the regular video camera. Now, for this tutorial to work and for this effect to look good, you need to make sure you can see all parts of the door frame. So the top and bottom corners especially, and the sides. This is the part that you're going to edit, so you need to make sure it's visible in order for the illusion to come to life. So what you're going to do before I record it to show you guys is you're going to start right outside your door frame or wherever the door is, and then you're going to walk in and you're going to walk up to the camera. Walk very closely to the camera and then look around like you're surprised, like, what happened? Now don't walk all the way up to the camera, because you have to keep in mind when you edit this, you walk too close to the camera, your face won't be visible. So just make sure that you set your camera up where you have room above your head, and then you can also see the ground below. So you're gonna walk up to the camera, you're gonna look surprised, then you're gonna walk back to the door, out of the door frame, and you're gonna stand here again, look around, and then walk in as normal. You're gonna do all this in one take. There's no cuts, there's no edits necessary. You're gonna film all of this at once. So I'm gonna film it now to show you guys how it looks. Now you might have to play around with this a few times just to see how closely you can walk to the camera when you edit, but once you get the hang of this, is a really easy and fun trick to do with your videos. So now we're gonna go straight into how you edit it. Okay, so first things first, obviously I'm gonna crop my video to right when I'm starting outside of the door. Make sure that's right. Okay, great. I'll just save that video. Then once you've got that, you're going to go to Kinemaster. You can really use any app that allows you to create a layer, but I've just found that Kinemaster just does this the easiest. Is you're going to open up media and make sure it's selected on videos over here on the left hand side, and you're going to go to all, and then your most recent should be in the top left hand corner. Click the video and then click out of the video so you can see this little square icon here. You're going to select that and click capture and save. Make sure the playhead is at the beginning of the video. This is going to take a screenshot of the first frame of your video, and we need that. So make sure the playhead, which is this red thingy, make sure that is at the beginning of the video before you click the square button. And the square button won't show up if you have the clip selected, so make sure you just click anywhere to unselect the clip. Then what we're going to do is, if you already have an app that allows you to make images transparent, you're going to open that up. The app I use is called ProKnockout. So we're going to take this and we're going to grab my screenshot here and just click next. So basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click erase here. And I'm just going to erase everything in the door frame. It doesn't need to be perfect unless you're anal about that kind of thing, then yes it does. But it's such a cool edit that not a lot of people actually know how to do or even have really seen before, that no one's gonna be mad at you if the lines above your door aren't clean. And like I said, it doesn't need to be perfect, so moving on. So then you're just gonna save that. Okay, so then we're gonna go back to Kinemaster. You're gonna select the layer button right over here next to where we imported the media, and then you're gonna select media from within layer. So make sure you click layer before you click media. Then you're gonna make sure on the left-hand side here that you select photo, and then you're gonna grab that image. And then you're just gonna line it up with your footage. And you line it all the way up. I line it up until I get back to the door and stand in my original spot. And basically once you do that, once you've cut out that area and line up your videos, we're already done. It should look a little something like this. See, super easy. So what you want to do is just make sure that you line this up as much as you can to when you're back through the door frame in order to complete the full illusion. But ideally you have to play around with how close you get to the door, because it'll cut you off if you get too close, or if your tripod or the height or whatever you're propping your phone up on is not in the right height for your height. So you have to play around with it a little bit, but the key is to make sure that all sides of the door frame are visible in your video. And then from there you can really just show off your Oscar-worthy acting skills as to how do you not fit through the door. It's all really easy, and you can add it and edit it and make it really cool and fit your video style. But this is really all you have to do. It's a very simple and easy tutorial, and then you would just export your video. So I hope this made sense to you guys. I hope it's easy, and I'm looking forward to seeing more videos with the Magic Door editing style in them. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.